Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking a good care of yourselves. Okay, my name is Dore Nayab and I am from PWD branch and I will be presenting the concept of sentence building for you all. First of all, we will start by defining a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that comes together to express a complete thought. Now let's discuss about the main components of sentences. A sentence may consist of three components. Number one is a subject, which is a person or any other noun or pronoun who is doing an action or about which the sentence is. The second one is a verb, which is the action being done by the subject. Third, an object, which is the person or any noun which is receiving the action being done by the subject. Let's do an example. Ahmed ate the cake. Over here, Ahmed is the subject, ate verb, cake object. This is a complete sentence. Do not forget to start your sentence with a capital letter and use appropriate punctuation marks like full stops, commas and apostrophes. Now I will be telling you about ways to make our sentences more interesting. The very first one is to add more parts of speech like adjectives into your sentences. Let's look at the example. Ahmed ate the delicious chocolate cake. Now you see, I could make a simple and easy sentence by saying that Ahmed ate the cake. But I've added two adjectives, delicious and chocolate, to make my sentence more interesting. The second example is, Alia made a magnificent huge castle out of sand. I could just make a simple sentence by using the subject, which is Alia, by using a verb, which is made, and by using an object, which is castle. But to make my sentence more imaginative and interesting, I have added two adjectives, which are magnificent and huge. The second way to make your sentences interesting is to answer the question relating to the words who, what, where, when, why and how in your sentence. Let's look at the example where I have answered all these words and made a complete sentence. The sentence is, Alia made a huge castle from sand near the beach using some tools early in the morning for fun. Now you see, who is the subject? Alia is the subject. What has she made? She has made a huge castle. Where has she made it? She made it near the beach. How did she made it? She made it using some tools like a bucket. When did she made it? She made it early in the morning. And why did she made it? She made it for fun. So when I answered all these questioning words, automatically a proper sentence was formed. Okay children, now let's quickly recall all what we have learned. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that is combined together to express one single idea. Different words and parts of speeches, adjectives, conjunctions, all these things combined together to form one sentence. Then sentence consists of three main things: a subject, a verb and an object. You can make your sentences more interesting by adding adjectives and by answering the 5 W's and how in a sentence. I hope you remember what were the 5 W's. What were they? Who, where, when, what, and why. Always start your sentence with capital letters and do not forget to use appropriate punctuation marks like full stops, commas, and apostrophes.